Hey guys, how's everyone doing today? So today I want to bring you another product. I've done some of these in the past, but I wanted to show you another one that's always great to have in your car with you, especially you never know when you need it, and it seems like when you need it, you don't have one. So here's another example of something that you could put in your glove box, in your trunk, and it will definitely help you out at some point. It's come in handy for me, and like I said, I don't even drive a whole lot, so I know you guys will really like this product. What I like about this one is it's very compact, does a great job. And like I said, it'll fit right in your glove box, which is important, so it doesn't take up a lot of space. So here it is. It's a portable jump starter. If you guys are not sure what this is, pretty basic. A lot of times they have different functions like this one does too. But if you ever run your battery down or your battery's getting weak and it won't really start your car, this will come in handy. So here's what it looks like. You can see the footprint's very small. Gives you everything you need here. Gives you the jumper cables here that plug right in. And then also gives you the charging cable so you can charge this up. Make sure it's charged, of course. Keep it in your car. Has a flashlight. And this has a nice port cover on it that you plug them into. So you plug the jumpers in there, and right there it shows you the battery life. Very simple. You're ready to go. You hook that to your battery, wait a couple seconds, and then start your car like normal, and it'll have enough juice to jump your car multiple times. Very simple to use. Anyone can use it. You don't have to wait for a tow truck to come jump you or nothing like that, especially if you go somewhere remote where it's kind of dangerous just sitting out there. If it's nighttime, I would definitely pick up something like this. Not only does it jump your car, this has some USBs in it so you can charge your phone. Has a flashlight right here. That has different modes too for SOS and that kind of stuff. Like I said, and they'll show you the battery life right there. So it's 2 bars. I would definitely get one of these. Like I said, you never know how much you appreciate this until you're in an area where you need it. So right there you have USBs there. So you can charge your phone, emergency if your phone dies. Acts as a battery pack along with jumping your car as well. And like I said, it's real small. Fits right in the hand. You can put it anywhere. You can even put it in the center console, and they're not even that big in this car, and it'll fit in there as well. So you don't need this huge thing. Gives you an instruction book, but like I said, it's straightforward. You charge it, it'll show you the battery life, hook it to your battery, and then you start your car like normal, push it, push button start, or if you have a key, you turn it over and it'll crank it right up. And you can do multiple jumps with this too. And then just the main thing to do if you do use it, or if it's been in your car for maybe say a few months, I would charge it to make sure, because it will lose juice over time. So then you're not in a situation where you have to use it and then you don't have it charged. So again, like I said, I'm a huge fan of these things because as your car gets older, the battery gets weaker. Mine actually died on me about 8 months ago, and it wouldn't start, so I had to call. I didn't have one of these at the time, and I had to call AAA. They jumped it and told me the battery's getting weak, so then I got to actually replace under warranty. But something like this, you don't have to rely on anyone, so it's definitely good to just keep in your glove box. Check the link in the description, guys. I'll put a link for this item. It's not expensive. It's one of those things you want for peace of mind, and believe me, you'll use it eventually, and you'll be glad you had it. So again, like I said, I always tell people just keep it in your glove box and you'll be good to go. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys. Hopefully it'll come in handy for you guys. Like I said, you don't have to break the bank to get one of these things either. I think every car should come with them for sure. So again, hope everyone's having a great day out there, staying safe. I appreciate you guys as always, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.